Very simple design for this platform bed, and it's super solid, super simple, and super inexpensive. This is our queen platform bed that we made for less than $100. Of course, the mattress is extra, and then I did some little accoutrements here, built-in side tables and a built-in headboard. Obviously, that'll cost a little extra, and you can look up above to see how I did the whole bunk room here.
Of course, you can use wider wood, 2x8 up to 2x12, if you want a taller platform. This diagram shows the dimensions for the 4 standard mattress sizes. Note the sideboards are simply 3 inches longer than the mattress length, whereas the end boards are the same as the mattress width. I bribed my son to get him to help me with the project. He made the cuts, and we used solid stain to coat the wood before assembly. And yes, I am aware that the little bugger is flipping off the camera in one of the subsequent time lapses.
These guys are going to rest on the floor. The reason I made the bed so low is because we're trying to fit it under these bunks. You want to get the tops of these to be perfectly even and the ends even there. And then you need to make sure the screw's going straight in. I like to countersink it just a little bit. See how this is even? Right there. Just gotta make sure that's all tight. What we're learning here is you get it started, and then you really gotta use a lot of pressure.
Okay, here a comedy of errors ensues in which wise old dad admonishes his naive son about how to screw in a screw, only to discover that...
Is this the wrong kind of screw?
No, I got it.
It is.
You did both.
Okay,
So whose fault was that then?
let's see here. Okay, if you have a Phillips head screw,
For no reason.
where is it? It's right here.
Inside your thing.
Why isn't it there? That doesn't work. If you got a hex head going. No wonder. Because Doofus couldn't do it.
Ah, father-son bonding.
Boom. Just get this one right in the middle.
Okay.
Now we have our side rails, and he's going to put that in position along next to the side there.
Like this.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yes. Okay, so now we got the middle one for the queen here. He's going to put that in, and then we're going to find the center. Okay, so just make a mark where 30 is. That's where, remember, because the other thing moves.
It's hard.
We laid out the 16 slats and just tried to keep them evenly spaced, and then my son screwed them in. His assessment?
Wow.
This baby is ready to throw a mattress on, but in this case, I wanted to add a few more items. I made a built-in headboard with enough room to pull some extension cords through for the bedside table lights. I made the tops of the built-in bedside tables and the headboard out of live edge butternut. I finished it off with some LEDs and reading lights.